welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all the new subbies. Welcome to our little family. Thank you for subscribing. I am so excited. We are so close to hitting 2,000. Guys, this means a lot. For today's video, I decided to review the Suva Beauty Hydra Liners that I got at IMATS from CDA 6. On my last Halloween makeup tutorial, I used the orange and the yellow one. If you didn't see my IMATS video, I went to the CDA booth and I purchased 5 Suva Beauty Hydra Liners. They're actually UV Hydra Liners. So the first one I got was Acid Trip, the neon orange. The next one I got was Dance Party, the yellow color. Next, I also got Scrunchie, which is the fuchsia pink color. Then I also got the blue one, which is called Tracksuit. And the last one that I have is called Fanny Pack, which is the green one. These Hydra Liners are like powder. It kind of looks like super pressed on powder. Alright guys, so the way that you want to use these Hydra Liners is by adding 2 to 3 drops of water into the container. I have my drops of water in an old NYX foundation because it has a dropper. And then grab whichever brush you're going to use, whether it's a liner brush or an SFX brush, and just mix it around properly, because if you don't, you'll get more water than the product itself. So make sure to mix well, and then just apply the product as an eyeliner, anywhere, eyebrows. Just let your creativity take over. So when I did use these guys, I used Acid Trip first and I used 2 drops of water. It was good. I added 3 drops on the yellow one, which is Dance Party. Since I added a little bit more water, it splashed easier, but it was a little bit less pigmented because it had a lot more water. So you want to make sure and consider that depending on what type of look you're going for. Mine was like super messy. It was supposed to be like a jack-o'-lantern, glow-in-the-dark kind of thing. So I just went along with it and I ended up liking the result. It's so fun playing with these guys. I did get some drops in my eye. It didn't sting. I used them as like splash. They dry fast and it glowed so nicely. I also splashed it on my lashes. I had to wait for them to dry so I didn't smudge the drops. But once they're dry, they are dry. They last all day, guys. It was not hard to remove them. I actually used a lot of Acid Trip than Dance Party, but it still has a lot. It's still the same level. So you'll get a lot of use out of this. They do retail here in Canada for $15. I believe in the States they retail for $12 on the Suva Beauty website. You can purchase these Suva Beauty Hydra Liners at cda6.com if you are living here in Canada. I don't know if they deliver worldwide or deliver somewhere else. If you want to go check out their website, feel free to do so. They have other brands other than Suva Beauty. You will get free delivery on orders over $50 with CDA 6. When I do check out to buy something, it shows you a lot of countries, so I'm not sure if they actually do deliver to those countries. It doesn't say anywhere on the website. Well, I couldn't find it, but feel free to check it out. And if you live here in the area of Toronto, you can visit them at the Downsview Flea Market. They are in the booth 421. They are only there Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you don't know where that is, you can go to their website to check that out as well. Since Suva Beauty was actually originated in Vancouver, BC, they also deliver to Canada, also anywhere in the States, and they do worldwide shipping. But for free shipping here in Canada, you have to have an order over $75. So that's the only difference. Whatever you can't find at CVA, you could purchase it at suvabeauty.ca. For the States, you do have free shipping on all orders over $50. That is all I have to say about these products. I do recommend them. I'm so happy I purchased these Suva Beauty Hydra Liners. They're amazing. I will be showing you swatches, how it glows in the dark, and how it looks with normal lighting. So let me know your thoughts on these UV Hydra Liners by Suva Beauty. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys to my next video. Bye! It completes the once she I can't talk. let your create thoughts. UV liners. Hydra liners. Your thoughts on these. And don't